Interpol veteran calls for regional crackdown on Zimbabwe's high-flying Chivhayo, wanted by hawks. Sarabina mashikubuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi Interpol yotsvaka Chivhayo. Sarabina madevelopments anobuda nyika panguva ino naNewsZimbabwe.com. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida muna mubuda nyika muchinzi. Retired Interpol ambassador and security strategist Andy Mashaile has called for a regional law enforcement crackdown following the issuance of a warrant of arrest for high-profile Zimbabwean socialite and the ZANU-PF Deputy Secretary for Information and Publicity in Harare Province, Joachim Chivhayo, also known as G6. Earlier this week, IOL reported that the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, commonly known as the HAASI, issued a warrant of arrest for Chivhayo after he failed to appear in a Gauteng court following his release on bail in 15 million rand court case. The development built on IOL since November 28, 2024 report detailing the arrest of Chivhayo and Ayanda Brian Gungwa during a HAASI serious organized crime investigation operation in Brakpan. The pair was allegedly found in possession of 6 bars of unwrought gold valued at approximately 50 million rand. A Mercedes-Benz SUV was also seized during the operation. Ayanda Brian Gungwa has also attracted controversy over his identity. South African law authorities identified him at the time of arrest as a South African national named Ayanda Brian Gungwa. However, Zimbabwean publications have often referred to him as Nelson Chivhayo, and he is also known by the nickname Pharaoh. The differing names have fueled public debate on social media platforms about his real identity and his relationship to Chivhayo, although South African court documents in the court case listed him as Gungwa. Mashaile told IOL that Chivhayo and others linked to the case should present themselves to South African authorities. I think G6 and his crew, those who were sought and arrested some time back when the Mercedes SUV was taken along with those bars of gold, should present themselves at to the South African authorities, the HAASI Serious Organized Crime Unit, which is looking for them. I would present myself if I were them. Remember, these people are on bail, and the fact that they have skipped the bail, it means there is something to hide. Noma developments are from Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa section videos of Muro Aimur Bipam Surpichit Koich. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.